Morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are back with another absorption rate update. Um, I'm pretty much doing these like I think once a week. So we're looking at Osceola County in Florida, which includes cities like Kissimmee, St. Cloud, parts of Poinciana, because parts of Poinciana are also considered Polk County. But this last week on November 25th, we had about 2,535 active listings. And in the last 30 days from that date, we had about 587 that sold. And if you divide one number by the other, you get an absorption rate, which kind of determines the months of inventory left, kind of like a projection based on like historical data. And last week we were at 4.31, so a little bit over 4 months of inventory. But it's interesting because when I go back all the way to August 19th, when I started this, from August 19th to August 26th, September 2nd, September 9th, it was 2.9, 2.9, 2.8, 2.75, 2.96, 2.98. September 30th, we broke three, and it broke fast because it went to 3.5 months, then slowly to 3.6, the next week 3.8, 3.8, 3.7, 3.4, 3.69. And then from November 11th to November 18th, we broke 4 months of inventory where we went from 3.69 to 4.16. Then last week from 4.16, we went to 4.31. This week, we went from 4.31 to 4.63. So we're heading in the direction of what's considered a balanced market, a normal market, because as a general rule, 5 to 6 months of inventory is considered to be very balanced or normal. When it hits over 6 months, it's considered to be like a buyer's market. So we're pretty much almost done with the seller's market. We're heading to like a normal balance market where there's negotiations again, there's concessions, closing costs. People have to do a little bit more work to get the deal done. Um, and unfortunately, that's gonna wipe out a lot of agents that did this stuff the easy way, unfortunately, and they're gonna go back to their day jobs and everything. So it's gonna allow agents like me, successful ones, to gain more market share. Unfortunately for those other agents, but fortunately for me and my team. So that's pretty much your update. Right now, we're in the mid fourths as far as how many months of inventory we have left in all of Osceola County. From last week to this week, we're from 4.3 to 4.6, so zero point 0.3. So a third of a month difference. Let's see what happens next week because, it went from 4.1 to 4.3 to 4.6. So it's climbing faster. It looks like inventory is coming and not enough of it is being sold. So let's see what happens next week if we finally break 5 months. Um, I've been waiting to see for months now, see how fast we'll get to 5 months, then 6 months. Will we get to 7 months? I don't know. Let's see. That's pretty much this update, and I will see you guys on the next one.